Hi guys. So here we are about to discuss about the LR engine, that is Salesforce out-of-box functionality. So take an example. We have a parent object contact and we have a child object custom object 1, custom object 2. So this is a lookup relationship. So this is a lookup relationship, not a master detail. So what is the scenario here? So I want custom object 1 is there. I want the count of this id, and want it to update, and need to update in parent object field. So if you see, if it has a master detail relationship, directly I can create a roll up summary field, and with the help of roll up summary field I can get the count of records or either a sum of records, and I can get into the parent object and I can create a trigger, and I can do my functionality with whatever I need. So let's talk about the thing that has LR engine. So LR is like lookup roll up engine. So this name says only if you want to create a roll up summary using trigger, we don't need a master detail relationship for that child object. So let me just quickly go ahead and show you how this works. So what exactly it's like, we don't have to create a master detail relationship, and we don't have to worry like if child has a master detail relationship with the parent object or not. If it has a simple lookup object, then also via trigger, via LR engine, we can create a roll up fields using the trigger. It's a the name says it's a roll up field, but it's not exactly. So what I have done in my scenario was like, in contact object I need to update a field, based on the child object, so what I did, in contact object, I have created one custom field that holds the value, that holds the count of value from the custom object, that is a child. So let me show you the uh, scenarios. What I have created a number of application. This is a custom object, this is a lookup. So if you see the LR engine, so I have written a trigger on the custom object, and this is how LR engine is. So you have to give the LR engine context. This is a class, and class is available. Is available on the Google, or you can use my ask4tutorial.com blog to see this one. So this LR engine context is there. I can use my parent object contact.subject and my child object, and this since this is not a master detail relationship, in this application we will having a lookup of a contact. So I need to give a relationship name. So this is, if you see relationship field name, I have given this applicant, and same thing. So I have created a context for this LR engine. Now what I have to do, I have to create a roll up summary field via trigger. So I have given LR engine roll up summary field, and I have declared the context schema field, in which field I need to update this one. So number of shortlist is, it's a text field in the context. I need to update. What I need to update? I need to update the application ID, and since this is a count, here I can have the sum, average, minimum, as well as maximum. So another scenario is also like, if you want to have a if you want to do a trigger for the contact and opportunity, and in opportunity there is an amount field, and you want to take all the amount fields for that child object and update it to the context. So you can do this one. Since my requirement was to have an account, so I have taken account of this ID and update it into the number of shortlist field. So this was the thing, and might be you will be having a question, if I want to give any criteria over here, how I'll be doing. So yeah, so what I have done, I have a pick list, status pick list, which has a option as rejected. So I have created a string rejected, and same thing, I have given contact.s object, and which child object is there, and relationship of this one, and in condition I have to give status equal to this rejected, like which filter condition I want to give. After the filter condition, since this was the one flow, and after the condition, this is simply like if condition. So if condition I have given the status, I have filtered out the status. So those application which has status equal to rejected, those only will be coming here. And after that, I have a number of application rejected in my contact object. I'll be getting the application count ID, and I'll be updating here with the help of this object religion. So this was all about the LR engine, and in this LR engine you'll be getting uh, you'll be having a class which is out of box. I'll show you that class. So you can follow this block Salesforce lookup rollup summary, and here you'll be getting the classes and the test classes for this one, and based on the requirement you can go ahead and you can do it. So this is like simple, because if it has a relationship, then you have to store it, then you have to delete it, and everything you have to do. So hope it was good. Thank you.